We're unboxing the Apple Watch Series 4 here in Central Park in Manhattan. And this is exciting because I have the Series 0 and it really sucks now. Barely stays on, missing a lot of features of the new watches. And alright, here's the box. And it's got these nifty little pull tabs on the side here. Let's see. So we'll discard the box. Oh, there's the straps, the wrist straps in that box right there. Cool. Oh, it's got a little watch decal on the front. Very nice. And let's see here. Whoa. All right. It's got some fancy black cloth wrapped around the actual watch itself. Oh, it's actually like a... It's actually like a case for it, kinda. That's cool. Let's see, you gotta figure out how to open it. There we go. That was death-defying. Nothing too interesting in the box itself besides the charger and the power brick. And let's open up the watch band. There they are. There's a big one and a little one. I think I'm going to need the big one, just based off the size of my wrist. That would be a yes. And then, conveniently on the watch itself, the bands just slide right into their position. Clicked right in, very nice. And now the second part. Alright, and that clicked right in, and it's booting up. This is the 44mm cellular plus GPS model. And yeah, there it is. All right, thanks for watching.